How would you like to earn between $100 to $2,000 every single time somebody watches a short video and takes action? And in just a minute, I'm going to show you what this is and how you can get involved. And we're going to go over some of my custom bonuses that you're going to be getting by joining today. And I'm going to take you inside the membership area and show you all the amazing products you're going to get by joining with us. And you're going to join with one of my top business partners, Patrick Connors, and you're going to be so excited. And it all starts right now. Okay, so I'm going to take you through some of my bonuses that you're going to be getting for joining with our group today. And again, you'll be joining with one of my top business partners, Patrick Connors. Now, I'll be on the other side to help you too, but you're going to be joining with him today. We team build this. We help everybody, okay? So the first bonus you're going to get is Ad Tactics Pro, and get excited. This is how I made over $1 million in sales in a day, and I'm still out there making sales, and you're going to learn what I do and how I did it, and actually you're going to learn all the top different places I go to place tiny classified ads. You're also going to see a copy of one of my top ads where I made over $1 million in sales, where I cranked it out all over the place in the day. It's a blind ad, and you're going to be so excited. You're also going to get a personal copy of my 60-minute flips course. That's my buying and selling domains, how I'm able to take $13 and make as much as $997 in 60 minutes or less. Now, I'm also a broker on the Flippa platform, but you don't need experience. This is a simple system to use, something that I created, and it's going to absolutely blow you away, okay? You're also going to get access to personal colleagues of mine, his solo ads, where he's put together a special discount where you can buy solo ads, tier 1, targeted leads and buyers. So this is a great opportunity for you to advertise this program with solo ads and get a huge discount by joining with us today. You're going to get your very own web page, and when you get here, you'll see this link below in the description. You're going to watch this 6-minute video. It's going to explain more of the opportunity. You can click Learn More and scroll down on the page. You'll get more information on what this is. And again, you're going to get your own personal web page for this program. Okay, so let's jump in the membership area. So I'm on top of the dashboard inside, and I'm going to take you for a tour. Pretty exciting. You have the fast start right here, which is going to give you a lot of information. You have the and how to get started. You have the monthly leaderboards tab right here to see everybody on the leaderboard. Okay, the getting started guide, which is really cool. I definitely enjoy this when you first jump on board. How to set up your profile, see your team and your lead. So it keeps track of all this information. Okay, you're also going to see my purchases, your income. Okay, it's going to keep track of all that. Let's look at some of the products. Okay, so these are the products for G100. Okay, you've got a lot of information here, lots of the information. I've seen a lot of different programs, and never have I seen this many products. Okay, a lot of marketing, advertising type products, so you can learn, okay, how to get information out there and make money. Okay, the G250 level, you get all these products. Okay, you got a lot of different information here. Warrior mindset, overcoming excuses, social media income, list building, profits, and so forth. So just keep in mind, any level that you come on board with, you also get the prior level of products. So if you join the 250, you'd also get the G100 product series. Okay, now also you got the G500. Okay, now the G500 has a lot more products in it as well. Okay, you kind of look over that. And of course you got the G1000 level. I'll click that, and you got all kinds of different products in here as well. Okay, so let me click on that again. Okay, you got on demand, you got legends, you got the village, other. Let's click on demand. Okay, all right, so you got a whole array of products. Now the G2000 level is available for you to jump on to, and I'll be doing an upgrade here. I have not joined that just yet, but it's recently just got introduced. So we are on another level of products, which is even past the G1000. And remember, if you jump on board the G1000 and the G2000, okay, there is a call center number that you're going to see at the end of this video that you can call to help you onboard. Okay, and of course the call center is there for you too as well. All right, very, very exciting. Now on the call center, they do an 80-20 split. So if you use the call center yourself, you get 80%, they get 20% for taking the calls, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, you have the marketing suite here, which I just expanded, which you have lead capture pages, you have VSL, You have a redirect setup. You also have a bridge page setup, so when somebody opts in, you can take them to a private bridge page before they move forward into the funnel. Okay? You have an Exitus closing team. Okay, information on that, tracking codes, autoresponder emails, which is real cool. Aweber, get response integration. So the list goes on and on and on. You also got tools here, which is really cool. Okay, voicemail, SMS bots, more resources, more downloads. Okay, the training, we have Exitus Hub. Okay, for all different levels. Okay, we have back office training, and we have recorded webinars. So if you can't make the lives, okay, which there are live webinars with this program, which is everybody loves, you'll get a list of the recorded webinars, the one we've had in the past. Okay, articles, all kinds of different things. Okay. So check this out. You are going to be so wowed with all the products, all the support, and all the marketing tools with Exitus Elite. You're going to be so excited. You want to definitely jump on board this today. We're going to help you, and we're going to help you team build. So make sure that you get started right away. Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to click the link below in the video description. You're going to see it down below, and you're going to watch a short video. It's a presentation. It can explain all there is to know about what this is, and you're going to be so excited. And you're going to be joining with one of my top business partners, Patrick Connors, and you're going to see his contact information below as well. And if you're joining at the G1000 or G2000 level, you're going to see a toll-free number on the screen, and you're going to call that number, and somebody's going to help you jump on board. And you're going to want to make sure you use Patrick Connors' ID number, his sponsor ID number you're going to see on the screen right here. Also, you're going to be able to qualify for my custom bonuses that are limited, and they're going to expire at any time, so you want to jump on board right away. You'll be so excited. Click the link below, watch the video. If you're joining at the G1000 to $2,000 level, call the 800 number. Otherwise, you want to get a hold of Patrick with his contact information right here, and he'll get you started. We're so excited to have you on the team. Get on board right away, and we'll see you on the other side.